Where exactly to start from? Stay tuned. Hey, my friend, this is Ola coming to you live from our Empire Pro Studios. I got a series here. We're going strong. We're going very. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure you go to my page and download myempirepro.com and download my free book. It's actually going to change your life. It's going to change your business for the better. But yeah, today I have this question that came in and essentially has to do with where to start from. This is a very common question I get all the time. People scramble all over the place. People pay thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars on training because they listen to the guru. The guru say, hey, the best investment is investment in yourself. And the truth is that I really can't argue with that. But the truth is that one of the most popular questions that I get the most is, where do I start from? I'm confused. Where do I start from, right? And I have today another person that was watching one of my other videos and asked this question. And I want to take the time to answer that question the best I can. Also by going into details of his question, right? But before I do that, as usual, I'm gonna go pull out a quote out of my book. If you don't have a copy of the book, make sure you download a copy at myempirepro.com. You see the link on the screen, or you see the link in the description box below, or on the side of this video. There's a description. There's a link that accompanies this video wherever you're watching at. Or you can simply, if you're listening to me on the podcast, you can go to myempirepro.com. That's myempirepro.com. What we do here is we help you build empires. Some of you are real estate wholesalers, network marketers, affiliate marketers. But a lot of these topics, I use examples from real estate wholesaling. And this person happens to be a wholesaler. I like wholesaling because that's how I started my career and as an entrepreneur. So let's dive into it. Just so you know, the key to everybody's success is generating leads, generating motivated sellers, generating new clients, new business, new leads. If you don't have that, then you don't have a business, okay? And if you want more information on that, again, all you can do is go through my book, download the book and get started today, okay? So with that being said, let's dive into the quote for the day. So the quote goes, every new business or entrepreneur must do a business launch. It's fundamental to your path towards massive success, in my opinion. Doing your business launching the right way can be a maker or breaker of your entrepreneurship career. Chances are you already did one, or that means a business launch. You did one business launch, or you messed up because of bad mentoring or so. That's okay. But I want you to understand that momentum is key in your success as an entrepreneur. Momentum essentially is the rate of speed over time, and you must have heard before that success loves speed. So that's the quote right there. And over the next few videos, you will hear momentum come up a few times, or business launching come up a few times, and it's gonna have a little bit different spins here and there. But again, so there's a question that actually came in today, and I want to answer that question to help you, okay? If you're listening to me and you're the asker of this question, I want you to acknowledge below in the commentary and let me know if I was able to answer your question, okay? So the question goes, I'll start by saying this was a great, straightforward, and informative video. Thank you very much. I love when I get feedback about my videos, so please always comment below in my videos. If you think there's something I could have added, you have other questions you have, please always leave me a question, and that's why I love answering these questions, okay? I'm currently 20, that means 20 years old, and attempting to get into real estate investing. It seems that all over YouTube, I can find videos of the different types of real estate investing methods that exist, but not how to start. All right, so it looks like you're cherry picking all over YouTube. And that's okay. There are things that I've started in my life in business that honestly, I start the same way. I just start cherry picking all over YouTube until I find a product or a training that resonates with me. But I'm going to tell you right now that cherry picking is probably not going to be good enough, or you're going to spend a lot more time on research, okay? Whereas there are people that have done the research that you need for you, right? So let's continue here. It seems that all over YouTube, okay, investing method that exists, okay. So it continues, I know that the key to starting any business is research. See, I was just saying, I didn't see that coming. But the problem I have is where exactly to start. Well, the problem here is that you get stuck in research mode if you don't pick up a course or something so you can get started. Okay, and the first step, honestly, I'm going to tell you right now, the first step is I'm going to tell you, I think you asked the question later, so don't let me jump ahead of myself. But you're absolutely right about the research thing. You don't want to be stuck in research mode. We're kind of like in a very sort of way, we're always researching, asking questions, watching videos. I watch videos all the time. I have my own favorite YouTube channels. I watch Ron LeGrand. I watch The Freedom Mentor, Sean Terry, Clever Investor, all those guys, right? I watch a lot of their videos at leisure as well, but I don't get stuck in that mode, and that's what it seems like you're stuck in. You don't know exactly what next to do. It's not even necessarily where to start. It's really what next, and usually that one what next is one thing. So because of that just came up, I'm actually going to recommend a book that you can pick up at Amazon.com. It's called The One Thing by Gary Keller, who is also a real estate legend. They found one of the co-founders at Keller Williams, and he does a good job in that book, One Thing. And really, you're just looking for that one next thing that you want to do. And that's always going to be a battle in your business. It's related to how you manage your time, how you manage your resources and energy, like I always say here, right? So essentially what you're looking for is, what is that next one thing? Your next one thing for you, because you're a brand new bee, right, is obviously where to start from. But maybe you're watching this video and you already started, but you don't know what the next one thing is going to be. If you don't know how to answer that question, you're always going to struggle with time management, and you're always going to run out of time. You're always going to be running low on productivity. And this is my point here is that this is a very, very big question. All right, so he continues. But the problem I'm having is where exactly to start. Do you have any recommendation books? Well, I just gave you one. That's one thing. The second book I'm going to recommend for you is definitely Empire Lifestyle Secrets, which is my book, and you can simply download it from myempirepro.com or with the link around this video. Programs, okay? So the best program out there right now, yes, I'm being biased, is going to be Empire Traffic Academy, and you can learn more about that with the discounted price when you download the book. But more importantly, any program where they teach you how to generate leads. That's the primary thing in any type of business, okay? Any program where you actually learn how to generate leads. That means generate new customers, new clients, new business, new motivated sellers, okay? Any good program should have that information, especially online in the digital age, because everything else is overpriced. Like, for example, direct mail, you can do it, but the traditional way, just putting the phone number in there and expecting people to call you, is overpriced, and you're going to go broke if you're an average person trying to engage in that activity. There are better ways and cheaper methods of marketing that are actually much more effective and efficient, because we're in the early ages of the internet taking over as a marketing media form, right? So I'm going to tell you right now, the best program I can recommend for you, because that's pretty much what I spent my time doing, teaching people how to generate leads online, is to go download the book for free, and then you take it from there. It's Empire Traffic Academy, okay? That's what I'm going to tell you. Now, if you're already on my newsletter, then you probably have the options below your emails that you're getting from me. All right. So any help will be greatly appreciated. Thank you. All right. So here's what I'm going to say. First of all, you're 20 years old. Congratulations to you, because that's early. I started when I was 24, 25 years old. And that at that time was still considered early. So at age 20, considering flipping homes, and that's a very good place. The place where you want to start from, officially where you want to start from, is to launch your business. Okay, so what business are you in? We're talking about real estate investing. I'm assuming that you probably don't have a lot of money, maybe not a good credit, because I didn't have a good credit at 20, so I'm going to assume. But even if you do, you don't want to start by investing yourself too much. You want to start by creating quick cash flow. You want to start by creating quick income source, because you're young and you can do some runarounds and you can get some things done. And you're probably very sharp on an average as compared to older folks when it comes to technology, I want you to start hacking into the system and see how you can use technology to generate, specifically to generate motivated sellers. But the first step in generating motivated sellers for a brand new person in business, the first step is always going to be a business launch. And that's why I read the quote that I read to you earlier. You need to launch your business. You need to tell your friends, family, friends, you need to do a little, to put $10 together, $15, a cookie, water, or something, and invite invite all your friends over there. You're doing a business lunch and you would like to share that with them, right? And do a business lunch and let them know that few things will happen. You will either generate some new customer, right? Some new clients, depending on what kind of business you're in, right? For real estate, looking for people that you tell them that you buy houses. You're part of a network and you can buy houses right now. And then you tell them you're looking for business partners, right? So you can acquire new business partners, people that can decide, hey, let's partner together. I want to learn how to do this stuff, okay? Or you can generate referrals, right? People referring people to you. Word of mouth is still that much very powerful because this is all about relationship, right? Even this video I'm shooting right now, you may not know me personally, but I'm still building relationship with you. Hopefully, right? Like, hopefully, please subscribe to the video, right? Because so you can get my videos, right? I'm actually building relationship with tons upon tons of people. I'm building relationship with, I don't know, about somewhere between 500 and 2,500 people on YouTube alone every week. That's why I use the digital platforms, because I can pretty much scale and leverage the same material that I've recorded over and over again, right? So that's where to start from. So the question where to start from, you should launch your business. But after that, your friends and family are not going to be good enough, right? Maybe 1 out of 20 people will say, yeah, I'm interested. Yeah, I'll tell you more. If I find anybody looking to sell a house, I'll let you know, right? Referrals. But now if you don't get a call from anybody in the next 2 weeks, then you're going to be discouraged. We don't want that, right? So you need to learn how to generate your own leads, generate your own motivated sellers, right? That's the next step after that. Remember what I was saying about is really, really asking what's the next thing to do. And that question is always going to come up in your business career for the rest of your life. That question is always going to come up. So where do I start from is always a question, okay? It's just that most newbies say that way, but we're all asking that question all the time. When you want to reinvent yourself, how do I start, right? So that's my answer for you today. Again, don't forget, go and download the book right now. The fundamentals in the book are very important for you to learn how the business work, okay? If you don't know the fundamentals, you're going to be cherry picking all over YouTube and you're still going to be confused. The book covers it, and the best part is that the book is actually free. Okay, so you could go ahead and download the book at myempirepro.com. Subscribe to this channel, share this video with anybody you know or everybody on your social media. Share this video. They will really enjoy it and they will appreciate you for it. And give me a thumbs up, give me a like, click a like. That will be very, if you have any questions, any contribution, any questions, anything, just drop it in the comment box below. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you've been enlightened and educated, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.